Good morning. Hey, I wanted to welcome you to a really unique community in Washington County. This is an area called Sky Ranch, which is really designed as a fly-in community where you can actually fly an airplane in, land it, taxi up to your own home in your own hangar, and park it. It's a very unique deal. Now, those are homes behind me that are on the landing strip, but there's also homes that are on the hillside here that you can build and buy or whatever you need. You can have a hangar on separate from the house, or you can just live here. It's a great place to live because we are out in God's country. It's amazing. We're not very far from Sand Hollow Reservoir. Zions National Park is just up the road a ways. I mean, this is an amazing place. The land here is relatively inexpensive. You can put a nice house and a nice garage and all those kinds of things and really build very economically. So give us a call. My name is Rand McCullough, Fidelity Real Estate. My number is 435-619-8800, and I've got a great website. It is randsland.com. So take a look, give me a call, let's talk.